Add a service to Microsoft Bookings. Welcome to M365 Professional. Microsoft Bookings allows you to define your service offerings so customers can select the services and staff members they want for their appointment. From your dashboard, select Services, then add New Service. On the Basic Details page, enter a name for your service, as well as other optional details such as a description, location, duration, and price. On the Availability Options page, you have the option to toggle off the default scheduling policy and customize the new services time increments and minimum and maximum lead times. On the Assign Staff page, choose the staff members you want to assign to the new service. On the Custom Fields page, choose what customer information is required when making an appointment. Custom fields can also be added, as well as questions you'd like the customer to answer when booking. Finally, on the Reminders and Notifications page, add any additional information you want your customer to receive once they've scheduled their appointment, and decide whether you want the new service to appear on your booking page. When you're done, select Save Changes. Your new service has been created. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.